This coffee is a whole lot bigger than it looks. The airport here in Malta is starting to pick up. It's just after 5 a.m. I've been here for about 5 hours trying to sleep. I only came to realize that I left my Arc'teryx Trino jacket. It cost me $300. Fantastic jacket. I left it in my Fiat Panda rental. So now I have no jacket and it is a little chilly at night, and I was going to sleep on the floor, but I can't. So I'm just going to try to stay awake. I've been awake for 29 hours at one time, so what the hell, right? So things start to open up around 9 o'clock, and when that happens, I'm going to go to town and buy myself a cheap-ass jacket or a hoodie or something. Maybe not a hoodie, I hate hoodies, but that's where I am right now. My flight to Riga, Latvia is at 2 o'clock, so I have to be back at this airport around noon. So that doesn't really give me a lot of time to explore Malta, but whatever. Every day is an adventure.